Hey there! Today we're going to create a dreamy effect. This effect is often used in music videos or memory sequences. Start by going to the Overlays and find the Prism Vision collection. This collection is often used to create a sense of altered reality or psychedelic experiences. Here, scroll down and import the dreamy tilted effect. You can use whatever effect you want and experiment to see what best fits your scene. Right after the import, we're almost done, but let's explore the possibilities of this item. With the amount slider, you can control the overall intensity of this dreamy effect. For a better view, I'll detach the Spotlight FX panel and dock it next to our footage. We can easily change the amount or direction with sliders. Change the feather to 0%. This way you can easily see your changes and later just increase this value back again. As you can see, you can experiment and create unlimited possibilities with those settings or by stacking multiple items on top of each other. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a stunning dreamy effect. Remember, the key is to play around and find what works best for your specific scene. Experiment, explore, and remember, if there's something you need, we're just a message away. Happy creating.